Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show you step by step how to fill UK visa application form online. So let's get started. Go to Google, search for UK visa application form, click this first website here. You will see this page. In this page, all you have to do is scroll down, click apply now. When you click apply now, select your language, English, and then scroll down, click next. After that, choose your country name. From country name, choose next. You will see this application center location. Click this one and then click next. From here, scroll down to apply, click start now. Click start a new application. If you want a new application, write your email address. When you write your email address in this section, write your password. So write your password, as I say. After write your password, write your email address. Write your password, as I said. After write your password, click save and continue, and then click someone else, click continue. From here, write your email address, click continue. From here, write your phone number, provided this option for phone number. After that, when you write your phone number, click this one for whitelist out UK mobile phone number, click save, click no, click save, and then click this connecting phone number, click save. From here, give your names, your family name, your all details, click save continue. If you have any other names, click yes. If you have other names, choose your gender, your state, and then click continue. After that, fill all this application address, trees, all details here. Now click save and then complete your process application. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Just complete these documentations and pay your fee here. You're free.